Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me.
Salam sejahtera, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Bagi pihak Malaysia Airlines, penerbangan MH5371, kapten dan para anak kapal ingin mengucapkan khasnya untuk orang Sarawak. Selamat Hari Sarawak. Terima kasih juga kerana telah menerima saya di sini. Terima kasih. Salam sejahtera. Ladies and gentlemen, behalf of Malaysia Airlines, flight MH5371, Captain and our cabin crew would like to say, especially for Sarawak people, Happy Sarawak Day, and thank you for applying me in here. Thank you.